Now, momentum. What is it? The momentum of an object is its mass times its velocity. The more mass you have and the more velocity you have, the more momentum you have. Now, if you lose that momentum quickly, you will feel a large force. Lose momentum more gradually and you'll feel less force. There's another thing about momentum you need to know. When something explodes, its total momentum before is the same as its total momentum afterwards. And also in collisions and crashes. Let's look in more detail at the cannon. Total momentum before the gun fires is 0. Nothing is moving. After it fires, the cannonball is moving forwards. That's momentum in a forwards direction. The cannonball has small mass and large velocity. Momentum in the backwards direction will cancel this out. The cannon recoils backwards. It has large mass but small velocity. The two objects, cannon and cannonball, have equal momentum in opposite directions. They cancel out. That keeps the total momentum equal to 0, which is why we get recoil when guns fire, and how jet engines work, how rockets fly, and how balloons do their thing. Not that you're ever going to get to see all that at once, unless you go to a NASA-sponsored military-themed jet pilot birthday party. But you never know.
The formula for momentum is P equals mv. P is momentum equals mass times velocity. A good example of momentum is every time you kick a ball in soccer.
Alright, pretend the ball is 5 grams and the velocity of the ball is 2 meters per second. Using the formula P equals m times v, you plug in the units. 5 grams times 2 meters per second equals 10, the unit 10, the momentum, which is meters times. So the momentum of the ball is 10 meters per second.
Times gram. So now let's pretend that we already have the momentum. And let's say it's 15 Newton seconds. So we can draw this here. The mass of the ball, let's say it's 5 grams. If we kick it, and we're trying to find the velocity, and we already know the momentum, then all we have to do is plug it in the equation. So the mass is 5 grams. Don't forget your units. Times velocity, and then now all you have to do is simple algebra. You divide by 5 on both sides, and it equals 3. And since you're looking for the velocity, it's meters per second. That's your V. And a good example of it is when you're playing soccer.
For our final example, we'll be using the same formula, P equals mv, and we have the momentum, which is 20 Newton seconds, and we have the velocity, which is 10 meters per second, and we're trying to find the mass. So you plug in 20 and S, and you plug in the velocity, 10 meters per second. And now you just do regular algebra. Divide by 10. Divide by 10. So the mass equals 2 grams. All right.